greatness on this sacred line. Lord guardian, steadfast and true, unleash dread powers that our Lord said do. From 10 years gunning to co-speed tests of might, we stand as one against those of light. Nazarick denizens of dazzling dawn, fuel its glory with the fervent song. From May to thunder, from beast to race, loyalty unshaken until our final breath. Let foes and false kingdoms tremble and cower, for the first king wields infinite power. His will be done across this hallowed land, as Nazarick's dominion takes its righteous stand. Our loyal